Discover the best in waterproof flooring. Turn your floors into a fortress. Discover why waterproof flooring is today's top choice. Not only does it resist spills and stains, but it also provides unmatched durability and style for any room. Choosing the right floor can transform your space. With waterproof options, you enjoy easy maintenance, eco-friendly materials, and a versatile look that complements any design. Say goodbye to warping and hello to floors that last. Step into elegance with our exclusive collections. Whether you're after the warmth of wood or the sleekness of vinyl, we've got you covered. Our range guarantees top-notch quality and aesthetics that'll leave a lasting impression. Worried about installation? Don't be. Our expert team ensures a hassle-free experience, bringing your vision to life with precision. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your floors are installed to perfection. Ready to transform your home? Visit our webpage to explore endless possibilities. Don't settle for ordinary. Upgrade to extraordinary. Contact us today for a free consultation and take the first step towards flooring excellence. Your dream floors are just a click away.